Hey there. Today I'm going to show you our latest integration with Buska, a social listening platform that will allow you to automatically find people talking about a specific topic, push them to Lagos machine and engage with them on LinkedIn, by email, on Twitter. What we'll do today is to start by monitoring some mentions of your brands, your competitors, and then Buska will detect the mentions and display it on their social inbox. I'll show you how it works. Then we can select the creators that you want to engage with, and the creators will be pushed to Lagos machine. From that moment, we will look for their email using our Waterfall enrichment system. We use find email, ICPs, wrap contact, Enroll, Prospero, Enter, that thing. Tons of email provider. You don't need to pay for any of those providers. We do, and enrichment is fully unlimited using Lagos machine. After we've enriched the business email of the prospect, we will let you engage with them on LinkedIn. We're sending them by direct message, but also voice messages and emails. Let me show you how it works. On Buska, you create keywords that you want to focus on, listen to on any platform. What interests me the most here are the LinkedIn people. In my social inbox, I will be able to select any or all the leads. For example, let's say this one, Kelly. You can see the post that is done. If I feel the post is good, I want to engage with that person and ask him to join our creator program so we can continue to publish, but be rewarded for this. So what I do is this person checked and click export to Lagos machine, select the audience. I would select my Buska join creator in English and then click OK. That's basically it. It will push the lead to Lagos machine, and when I go in Lagos machine, you will see a notification here in just a matter of seconds. In the English audience, you can see Tony that's been just pushed here automatically or in just one click. Now I will go into the campaign and show you what we'll be doing on Tony and anyone that I will push from Buska to Lagos machine. We push him into this audience and check this box. This means that we will look for his email using the different providers, cascading each provider to find the right email. After that, we will like his latest post. That makes sense. He just published the contents that talk about me, so I want to engage with the post. And because he's a creator, I want to also engage with him on Twitter. Favorite his last post and follow me on Twitter. Then if he's a contact, there are chances that I already discussed with it. So I want to engage differently than if he's not a contact. If he's the contact, we'll just say hello first name, thanks for your post. Are you already in the creator program? I will send some info about the program. Basically, we exchange visibility for NGM license and affiliate program. By the way, if you want to join the creator program, feel free to reach out. You see that the two messages will be sent one after the other, which makes it less automated. Nobody knows that you can send two messages at the same time, or just one after the other. When you use Lagos machine, you can do so. 7 days after, I will send a message. If he's not a contact, I will send him a contact request and say, okay, thanks for your post, much appreciated. Are you already part of the creator program? That's it. If he doesn't accept after 7 days, I will send him a message on his email and say, I saw a LinkedIn post where you mentioned this, thanks so much. Are you already part of the creator program? You see, every message I sent are very short. The goal is not to take too much time, but just to engage a conversation. When he accepts me on LinkedIn, we say, if you're interested in the program, here are some information. Then basically, we exchange visibility versus license and affiliate programs. And after 4 days or 7 days in the first case, I will send a message saying, okay, we just said this month's 10 with the creators, would like to send it to you. I engage with them on LinkedIn, on their content, on Twitter, by LinkedIn message, and by email. Everything is done in less than 30 minutes thanks to this new integration. I did this with my own brands and for the creator program, but I could have done this with any other terms that are not my brand, but could be interesting for me. Let's say someone talking about prospecting. I want to reach out and ask them if they know about us. I hope you enjoyed. If you want to test this, ping me below and I'll give you an early account to use this integration. Cheers.